Hello friends, I hope all are good. In the previous videos, we discussed Introduction to Prompt Engineering and Generative AI, Introduction to Tokenization in Generative AI and Prompt Engineering, Principles of Prompt Engineering, Practical Session of Prompt Engineering, Types of Prompt Engineering. In the last videos, we completed all the basics of prompt engineering. Now we will discuss the complete roadmap of prompt engineering and generative AI. Look at the screen. We discussed 5 videos on the basics of prompt engineering. All the last 5 videos were about the basics of prompt engineering. I think we all understand prompt engineering, how to use it, and where to use it. So now, let's start the generative AI roadmap. Next, the roadmap of generative AI. If you want to become a good prompt engineer and generative AI expert, learn these 5 topics of generative AI. The first one is Python fundamentals. We will learn Python from basics to file handling. Don't worry about Python. I will teach from students with no coding background to pro level. The second one is machine learning. Machine learning is very simple. It is used for pre-trained models. We will discuss machine learning basics, scikit-learn, model evaluation. The third one is deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Now you may have a doubt, what is the difference between machine learning and deep learning? Deep learning processes vast amounts of data and recognizes complex patterns. I will discuss this deeply when the topic comes, okay? In deep learning, we will learn neural networks, frameworks. The fourth topic is natural language processing. Natural language processing tells us how AI processes text and how to give text to AI. We will discuss deeply NLP basics, NLP libraries, vector techniques. Finally, we will learn about generative AI. In generative AI, we will learn all the topics related to generative AI, and we will build AI applications like AI assistants, Q&A systems, AI content generators. These are our roadmaps and goals. Don't worry about all the topics. I will explain each and every topic carefully so you can understand them clearly. Next, we will start with the first topic, Python fundamentals. On the screen, you can see Python fundamentals. At least you should know the basics of these topics. Don't worry about these topics. I will explain each and every topic with real-time examples. By learning these 7 topics, you will go from beginner to pro in Python. So, don't waste our time. Let's start with Python basics. These are the basics of Python. In this video, we will discuss all the topics. The first one is Introduction to Python. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in the 1980s. Python is a super popular programming language used to build websites, apps, AI tools, games, automation, and even robots. Next, where is Python used? Python is used everywhere, such as artificial intelligence, data science, web development, etc. Big companies like Google, Netflix, and Instagram use Python every day. Next, why is Python so famous? Because Python syntax is simple and easy to read. So, I will give an example of why Python syntax is so simple. I am taking an example of printing a Hello World program in different programming languages. Look at my screen carefully. On the left side, I am taking Java as an example for printing a Hello World program. In Java, we have to write the program in 3 lines with curly braces and semicolons. This is the Java syntax to print a Hello World program. On the right side, I am taking C++ as an example for printing a Hello World program. In C++, the program takes 4 lines of code, includes semicolons, and requires importing libraries. This is the C++ syntax to print a Hello World program. In the middle, I am taking Python as an example. C Python. It uses just 1 line. There are no semicolons and no library imports required. I think you understand why everyone is using Python. Python doesn't make you write extra, unnecessary rules just to do something simple. If you want a computer to just say hello, look at how much extra stuff you have to type in Java and C++ compared to Python. I think everyone understands why Python has such a simple syntax. Next, installing Python. Open Chrome and search for Python downloads. Click on the first website. Click on the Downloads button and select Python 3.14.5. Once Python is downloaded, click to install it. A pop-up window will appear. Select the Add Python to Path option. If you do not select this option, you will have to manually create the path later. So, check the Path option and click Install. After installing Python, open the command prompt, cmd. Type Python version. CMD will show the Python version. This means Python has been installed successfully. Next, install VS Code. Open Chrome and search for VS Code downloads. Click on the first website. Click on the Windows Download button. It will automatically start downloading. Once the download is complete, click the installer. A pop-up window will appear. Accept the agreement and click Next. Then click Install. It will take some time to install. Once the installation is complete, VS Code will automatically open. This is the installation process of VS Code. Now, let's see how programs are executed. Next, we will discuss running Python in VS Code. Create a new folder named Python Practice on your desktop. In this folder, we will save our practice programs. So, create your own folder. Open VS Code. Click on File in the top left corner. Select the Open Folder option. Go to the desktop and select the folder you created. Click Select Folder. You can now see your folder name on the left side panel. Move your mouse over the folder name, and you will see an option to create a new file. Create a file named program1.py. The .py extension means it is a Python file, so always save the file with the .py extension. Now write the program. Print the code creator. Save the program using the shortcut Ctrl+S. Next, click on the three dots at the top menu. Select the Terminal option. Then click New Terminal. A new terminal will open with your folder location. Type Python program1.py and press Enter. The code will run. The output will be the code creator. Now, if I change the code, it will show an error. For example, I will remove one bracket. Let's see the result. It shows an error, missing bracket. Now I will add the bracket back and run the program again. Let's see the result. It is still showing the same error. Why? Because we did not save the program. So, save the program using the shortcut Ctrl+S. After saving, run the program again. Now there is no problem. Remember the important rule. Whenever you make any change to the code, first save the program and then run it. See this diagram carefully. First, always save the code, even if you make a small change. Save the code using the shortcut Ctrl+S. Next, run the code. This is the most important rule, so don't forget it. I think you understand how to run a Python program. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and if any doubts leave comment section. Do subscribe for more updates.